For your time and joining us for the K-Gateway community meeting. We have a fairly light agenda, but Mayoa wanted to share some work in progress that he has, so I'll turn it over to him.
Okay, thank you. One sec, guys. I'm trying to share my screen. So can you see my screen now?
Yep. It's
Okay, sorry. Yeah. So basically it's just in relation to the blog John published. So so I'm trying to incorporate it properly with the K-Gateway because what John had done earlier was to compare, do comparison with multiple gateway APIs and all of that. So we are kind of like trying to follow the same pattern with the baseline we got from, I got from John's stuff. So with the setup time, what we are trying to just do is to do those performance testing on the control plane majorly. So sorry, let me just, I think, so basically this PR is just working through
if you're still sharing your
the main
screen.
test. Oh,
Yeah.
you can see my screen. Okay. Oh, sorry. Share window. Is this up now?
Yes, it's back. Yep.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So the PR is just basically walking through the test we are focusing on, the attached route test. We do the route probe test, the route change test, just like similar to what John did, like I said earlier. And then we'll do um I had some open questions which got some input already, so I'd updated the PR with, the comment I got from the questions. So would use a baseline of, similar to what John got, 12 seconds and all of that. I have a testing on locally with my kind cluster because I'm not using the same cluster capacity, the storage and all of that. 96, I think John used 96 gig or so he said in the blog. I'm not using the same capacity, so I'm experiencing slightly different, what's it called now, values from what is expected. However, if I do a push and then trigger, the pipeline and see how I'll have to do like an analysis on what we get on the nightly build or the PR itself to see if we have something similar. So just basically we check the setup time, the tear-out time, the number of writes, and we integrate it with the CI/CD. It will do a nightly run, not on every PR, and quite a few number of things basically. So that's just what I want to show and just bring the team up to speed with what I've been up to lately. Thank you. Do we have any questions? Okay.
I guess one question I had was you mentioned integrating it into the pipeline. Will those runners have like kind of a similar, I don't know, CPU memory storage capacity to the kind clusters that you're doing, or it'll just be whatever gets assigned by the runner?
So, with the tests, if I'm right, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong. I know we have like about 4 kind clusters with test on. I don't know the capacity. I'm going to have to reach out to Nina on that to, you know, gain more, get more insight on that. I have a work in progress too for that with the workflow. should know what exactly. So if I push that, and then I'll get more like reviews and now to go from there. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for sharing. It looks like even with yours, you're well below the target threshold, so that's cool and nice to see the progress that you've been making.
Thank you.
Is there a call to action? Do you need folks to review the enhancement proposal, or still okay?
Nina has done some review. I mean, if I don't mind to, if anyone has some input to just make it better, basically. So I can put the link to the PR again in the Slack channel. So if like anyone has some inputs, it will be great to have. Yeah. Thank you.
All right. Yeah, and I think I linked the right PR into the meeting notes as well for you. So. Tim, Omar, I think you joined a little bit after we started. Did you have any agenda items that you'd like to bring up?
Nope. And I'm just hanging out, man.
All right. Art, anything you wanted to mention? Otherwise, it seems like we could call it early. Give folks some time back.
I know one thing. Can you guys hear me?
Can
Okay, I don't know if you talked about the PR to change the Envoy imports to be consistent. I think the creator is on. Is that right, Devesh? Is that your name? Tim, did you see that PR? Do you want to get that merged?
What PR are we talking about? Sorry, I was looking at Slack.
The one with the the one that just renames the Envoy imports to be consistent.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sorry, dude. I've been busy. Let me pull that up. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not opposed. I think it's a good change. I think I did one pass. Oh, did you link it in the chat?
I think Art did. Yeah.
Oh, thank you. All right. Yeah, I'm not opposed to this change.
All right. I think
It
it just
looks
needs
like
can you fix the merge conflict, Dev? And then we can get the merge.
yeah, probably
Devesh.
good to get it merged first. Yeah, this is definitely a moving goalpost. Yeah, this is fine with me. I like the approach. I think the regex is fine, and then we whitelist, or sorry, allow list, or whatever the right term is, the ones that are outside the config library path, and then we're good for those kind of like exemptions.
Yeah. I think it's a good stuff in the right place. Okay, I don't know if Devesh is on or if you can hear me, but I'll just leave a note to go ahead and resolve the merge conflict.
Yeah, Omar, thank you to address that. I was waiting to just merge for that PR.
Okay, all right.
Since it has potential merge conflicts, Tim, I was wondering, would this PR be something he would want to address the merge conflicts after yours and Shashank's PRs go in that we're trying to get in today? Or would the...
Yeah, I'm not. Let's see the key right now. That's a good question. Yeah, we're trying to get some bunches kind of blast radius changes in. I think let's just see. I think we're good. I would fix the merge conflicts. Ooh, I do see Shashank's PR. That one's gonna be a little tricky. Let's fix the merge conflicts for sure. Omar, can you take this over the line? I'm on PTO until we're back Monday. But this is gonna be a pain to get through with the merge conflict. So I think we just fix them, and regardless of the ordering with Shashank's PR, let's see if we can get it.
Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, then I think we're good to go then.
All right.
Anything else, guys? I'm gonna drop in a second.
No, I think we're good. We were about to end it
Yeah.
until Ian asked. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Sorry, I was half listening. All right, I gotta drop. I'll see you guys later.
All
Bye,
right.
bye.
Thanks.
All right, bye. Cheers.
So thank you everyone for your
Thank you.
participation, and until next week.
Thanks, everyone. Cheers.